Hi folks, welcome to Moriarty Bin. Okay, today I'm showing a workflow I use when a CAD file won't load properly into Revit and some of the X-rays are broken. So the DWG that I'm using is sitting at 000 as well. These X-rays are missing. I'm actually looking this area here. So we'll load that in first because I'm coordinating in this. First of all, we'll fix the X-rays. So if you insert, attach, and you can do it that way, or you can just go to your external X-rays and just gonna attach. And I know it's this sub-fab X-ray. This is the one I need, and it's at 000. Okay, so I'll just save that, and I'll save it to my link CAD. Now we'll come to our Revit and we will insert link CAD, and we're going to do it just to origin to origin. I know it's in millimeters. You can change this if you want, and let's see what lands. It's linked in, so we'll unpin that and just drag it out of the way. Move it away to the right or to the left. Don't have it above. We'll see now for why. We'll align our grid line, so we've got Y13. It's going to align that grid line to Y13. Let it come down, and then we'll take it over. We don't want to have it on top of it and then trying to decipher which grid line to use. So then we'll use the end again. One that will we know. So we can see this wall here, these panels. So that's axle B, but for some reason I know that that's it there. It's named differently, but I just know it is that. They should be named correctly, but there you go. Let's just pin that in place, and that's it. Save.